These are my okra seeds, if you can hear it. There's seeds in there, so definitely save your seeds. I'm about to take these off and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them. So this video is about how I am saving my okra seeds. These are okra seeds that I can reuse to plant. This is what they're going to, is it showing up over there on the screen?
Yes.
This is what it's going to look like. So it's best if you can save your seeds because it saves you money. Even when you're just buying food to cook with, save your bell pepper seeds, tomato seeds, whatever. Let them dry out and then you can reuse those. Well, I'm just gonna use this one envelope. I bought these when I was going to actually sell my rabbit poo pellets. I was gonna do that at the flea market. So I'm just gonna put on here okra seeds 2024. That way I know how old they are when I use them. In here, and I'll grow more, and I'll probably won't put them in here because this is labeled 2024. This Ziplocs back together. So this is how I'm going to start saving my seeds now, y'all. That's a pretty good bit of seeds right here. I don't have to buy okra seeds at all.
I wanted to, need to cherish every moment left with you. The leaves change the color, fall as close and you will break my heart yet once again. Wish I could slow down, wish I just could.